Hey, welcome to CAD/CAM CA tutorial design answers Solidworks CATIA tutorials. So if you are a mechanical guy, please subscribe my channel, and I also give job updates and other courses video. So go to our topic here.
Today our topic is design of pipe vice assembly with motion analysis in Solidworks. So let's as first we are going to draw the different parts of the pipe vice, then we are going to assemble it in this video. So stay tuned to the end of the video. So at first you have to take the top plane here to make the pipe vice. First part, so this is the first part. Here you have to make one circle here, that is go for the select this plane, go for the sketch and go to this rectangle here. This may be center rectangle. Okay, now its length will be 170 millimeter and its width would be 60 millimeter. Now exit from the workbench, go to the features and exclude it to the 20 millimeter. Now this is done. Now you have to fillet it with this fillet option with the four part, this part with 5 millimeter. Okay, done. Okay, now you have to create one sketch here that is in the front plane. Select this front plane, make it perpendicular and go for the sketch. Okay, now we are in the sketch. Here you have to, at first I am drawing it the lines, then I am going to make it dimension. Okay, so at first you have to create one line here, go to the smart dimension and these part dimension will be 40 millimeter. Okay, and this height will be 25 millimeter. Then go for this side, this length will be 10 millimeter and it's go into this dimension and delete this dimension. Oh shit, select this, delete this. Now go for the dimension and this angle will be 47.5. Okay. There I'm going here, one angle here, and there is the length here. This length will be 40 millimeter and the angle will be 85. Okay, done. Now I have to make one line here to this line and make one line here. This length will be 72 and it's come to the length will be 60. Okay, now you have to make one line extra here. This line will be 95 again and its length will be 60. Then you have to make one line here and select here the 3-point arc. Select these and select these and make one here. The radius will be 65. Okay, and it's okay. Just trim the extra part. Okay, click here. Now you have to exit from the sketch. Okay, this is going to be the drawing here. Now go for the features and extrude. Select this. This is going to be okay. Now first distance is 12 and the second direction will be 13. Okay, and click here. It's just like to see this. Okay, now you have to make two fillets here. Select this side 3mm fillet. Okay, it's like it looks good. Now just select this face and go for the sketch and make it normal. Go for the sketch here, or you just offset. You just offset these two lines. Just reverse side, this and this. Offset. Click here. Okay. Now create one line. That line will be 21 only, and make it just 90 degree. Now trim the extra parts. Click here. Okay, now exit from sketch and go for the extrude cut. The cut will be 10mm. Okay, now go for the reference plane. Select this face and this face. The plane will be in the middle plane. Now mirror, select this cut option and face will be this plane and click here. See, there are the two part where this will be done. And if you just hide this plane, it looks like this. let's end this drawing. So here I have to make two circle here. Select this face, go to the drawing and make it perpendicular. One circle is here, and the another circle is here. Okay, now smart dimension, these and these, select these and these should be same. I'm going to trim this, select the circle and just make it perpendicular. Okay, now the radius, the diameter of the circle will be 13, this also be 13, and the dimension from the bottom is 15, and this will also be 15. Now exit from sketch and extrude cut. Select these, select these, select these, select these, and make two through all. The cut has been done. Okay, now you have to make one thing. Just select the front plane, sketch, make it perpendicular, make it just perpendicular. Now create one rectangle here. This is not the center rectangle, this is the corner rectangle here. Okay, now go to the smart dimension and the distance this from the front portion. Oh shit. For the sketch, select these, delete. The dimension from front portion. Oh shit. Sorry, just select this and delete here. Just go for the sketch and here the front portion will be from these to these will be 48 millimeter. Okay, and from the here to here this will be 10, and These will be 44. Okay, this will be 44. Now it's okay. Just exit sketch and just go for the extrude cut command. Select this from the mid plane and this will be 20. Click here. Okay. Oh, this is not big. Sorry. Exit sketch. Okay. Oh, this is not. So here is the plane. Rim show and just select this plane and convert entities. Select these and these. Click here. Okay, exit sketch, just extrude cut these mid plane and 20. This is gonna be okay. Now just hide all these parts and now we are just fillet. That will be 3. Just this part, uh, mm, this part, this part. Okay, now click here. This will be filleted. Now just select this face and make it perpendicular. Okay, now here draw one circle here. Thus the circle was this. Just the circle diameter will be 30 and it will be in the mid plane. Okay, and it will be extrude 18 millimeter. That is this. Now select this face and make one circle here. Just draw one circle that is 20 millimeter. Okay, just extrude cut it just extrude cut it to the through all. Click here. Okay, now you have to make one circle here. Select this face and make one circle here. The circle is going to here. The circle diameter will be 8. Okay, the circle distance will be from this part to this part will be 17 and the other part is okay. Now click here on it. This circle is 8 millimeter from the front portion. This is not in the middle portion. Okay, and now extrude this circle through all. put this circle through all. Now select this face and convert entities here. Go for the features option. There is a curve helix from this face in the reverse direction. Pitch, the pitch will be 4 and pitch and height will be 28. Click here. Just select these. Just go for the plane. Select these and select these and see this. Click here. Okay. Now draw a triangle in this plane. Click here, sketch, and make one polygon. Polygon will be 3. Sorry. Click here, polygon 3, and this will be like that. Okay. There be a circle here. Just exit sketch and just make it revolute. There will be revolution cut. No, there will be sweep cut. Select this sketch and this helix. Okay, click here, feature cut this helix. Click here. Now see, there is a thread became done. Just hide everything, make the fillet here 3 mm, select all the faces. The fillet should be 1 mm. Clear sections. Select all the portions. Oh, sorry, this face. Select this face. Close. There should fillet in this part also. These and these. Okay. So I'm going to try again here, fillet. Select this part and this part. Okay. Going to fillet. Is there any problem fillet? No. The diameter should be 0.5, 0.1. Oh, sorry. What is the problem? 2 mm fillet. Something problem here. I should not give it fillet in the outside. I also give fillet this part and this part. Okay, it became good. Click here. Okay, and the first portion is become ready here, and just save it to our computer. Just save it and pipe vice 1. Okay, let's go to our second part. Let's make the second part, that is the movable jaw. Let's select the unit again. Okay, done. Select the front plane perpendicular and make one drawing. That will be the center rectangle. This is the center rectangle dimensions. These dimensions will be 60 and this dimension will be 39. Okay, let's exit sketch and make it extrude 18 millimeter. Done. Now make one drawing here. Select this face and make here sketch. The sketch is like that: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. It should be 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so now give the dimensions. These and this face will be 3 and all the portions should be 3, like that. Select these and these that will be equal. Sorry, let's delete it. I'm going to dimension all the things, that these 3, these also 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 3. Okay, these also 3 and these also 3. Okay, now just mirror it. I'm going to just mirror it. That is the, select this sketch. The center line should be this and just this sketch and make one line here. Sketch, mirror, select these 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 and these. Mirror about these. Just select this mirror about this and click here. Now just make this and click here just exits from sketch, and you have to just delete that, sorry. Just trim this entity, click here. Here is sketch, features, extrude cut, select this drawing, hit control this, and this should be through all. Click here, and now this is going to happen. Now I am going to chamfer here. Fillet chamfer. The chamfer length will be 2. Select this face, this face, this face, and this face. Okay, done. Here select this face, go to the sketch, and here I am going to one circle here. That circle will be right that there. The dimension will be 6, and the length from the above is this to this plane is 7. Just exit from sketch and extrude cut through all. Done. Now just select the front plane. Oh sorry, I have to say that just select plane, this face and this face in the mid plane. Just select this plane, go for sketch, and just draw this one thing. Just there will be 6mm and 20mm. This is the 20, and this will be the 6, and the angle will be this, and this is 60. Okay, just trim everything, exit sketch, and revolve cut. Select this, and contour will be this. Select this, and the revolve cut has been done. So just hide this. I'm going to give it appearance metallic appearance that gives chromium plating. Sorry, just it part body was extrude faces body, and just give it the color of blue. The color will be blue, and just select this color, copy, and paste it full body. This is how this part 2 has been done. Just select it, select this, go to here, select part 2 pipe size. Let's draw the third part here. Let's draw the third part. Please select this front plane, make it perpendicular, and sketch here. There I am drawing a line here. Just I'm at first make a rough sketch here. This is like that, 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 and that. Just trim these entities here. Go for the smart dimension here. This length will be 12.5 mm. This length will be 10 mm. This length will be 25 mm. This length will be 121 mm. Oh sorry, this became large. Just I'm trim this part here. Okay, just make it from here, just make it large. Okay, not that much problem. That is 121, and this length will be there is the line here. This line will be 4, and here a line that is from here is 4. Okay, and this height will be 6. This height and this height will be 6. Okay, and this height will be 10. Now go upside, and this length will be 10, and here I'm going to make one angle, and this angle will be 60. Okay, done. Here just trim these entities, take here, edits from sketch, revolve, make it revolve. Done here. Now I am just select the front plane and perpendicular, go to the sketch here, and I am going to make one circle here. That this circle will be, sorry, according to this point. Okay, this dimension will be 11, and from the corner the length will be 12.5. Click here and make the extrude from through all. I'm going, sorry, extrude cut, this, sorry, delete the extrude cut, just go the extrude cut, mid plane. Okay, here I am just make the two chamfer, select this part and this part, that will be 2. Okay, the delete part, the chamfer became here, and the second chamfer is going to here. The two chamfer is going to done. Okay, now just select this face and convert entities here, just this face. Make it convert entities, just exit sketch, helix, select this, and there is the length and the pitch. Height is will be 121 and pitch will be 4. Okay, click here. Now go for the top plane, make the top plane sketch. Here I am going to draw the circle here. Where is the line? I have to find out that line. Here is the line. Now here is the line. Just I am going to make one polygon here from this point. What is the problem here? Go to the polygon. Oh, sorry. How is the sketch? The plane will be top plane, front plane. I think this will be front plane. Front plane sketch, make it perpendicular, go for the polygon, select this line and make here. Okay, the smart dimension, the length will be 2 millimeter. Just exit sketch, go for the swift boss, select this and this. Okay, sketch profile, this should be upper portion, or it's going to the inner portion. Oh my god, what is the it's going to the lower portion. Sorry, I have done the drawing. Just delete it. Just click here. Let's go inside. Sorry guys. Just select this plane or this plane. This plane. This plane. Go to sketch. 3. And it's go inside to this upper side. Sorry, just trim this. I draw one line here. Let's see how it's became happen. Okay, just exits from the sketch, select this plane, make one drawing here. Okay, now if this happen, oh my god, this is not going to happen. Please wait. Just make one plane, go to the reference plane, just select this point, and another part is this helix. Sorry, just reference point, there is one point here, domain defined reference plant. Okay, just make plane, select these, not these edges, just helix. Oh my god, just select plane and these helix, and this should be top plane, parallel, perpendicular, just select the front plane, go for the sketch and make it perpendicular, and just create one triangle here. The length of the triangle will be 2. আরে ধর আমি ড্রয়িং করছি just give the length will be 2 and exits from sketch and go for the features, sweep boss and guide curve options, merge the tangent faces aligned with faces, click here. Now see, this is gonna be happened. Okay, just hide this point and just give it the color color will be yellow. Click here, just select copy this and make the whole body yellow, and just going to save this. Catcam 5 vice part 3. This is gonna be the third part. We are going to make the we are just going to make the part, fourth part. Just make in the top plane, perpendicular top plane, make it sketch. There is a circle that is 10 and that will be extruded 156 millimeter. 156. Okay, now go for this point. Just here we'll go one circle that will be 8 and extrude will be 8. Okay, now mirror this part, mirror features this part and to the okay, just select here this face and make one circle that is 8. Just features, this will be 8. In this way the connecting rod is being done. Just make it red and select this, copy and just all the parties rod, connecting rod, just save it. Pipe vice part 4. Just exit some these, make the Solidworks run again. Please wait. Just keep this part quite some time. Just make the final part. Okay, here the final part will be like that. I'm just making the overview, then I'm going to give the dimensions. These dimensions will be 7.5. This dimension will be 14. This dimension will be 4 and this dimension this dimension will be 3.5 automatically, sorry. Now go to the features, revolve, select this, from axis will be this and this, click here, just make the fillet here 20 millimeter, here 10 millimeter, partial view, full view, tangent proportion, why the multiplication is fillet. It should be 5. Okay, now these 2. Now this is 1. Now click here, and this is going to happen. Just give it color pink, make it whole body pink. Okay, now go to the file, save pipe vice part 5. Now the 5 parts are become done. We are going to make the final assembly video. Just we have here the final assembly. Just browse the parts. That is the main part, pipe vice, that have come. Then go to the insert component, browse the pipe. This is the screw part. Just go to the mate option, select this and select this, and click here tick. See this. Now go to the insert component and go for this portion, mate, select this and select this and click here OK. Okay, now in the mate option you have to make the second part. In this part, the front plane, and the third part, the top plane. Make it in the mid portion, that is parallel. Okay, parallel, and click here tick. Okay, you see that. Okay, now the cap portion has come. Insert, browse this cap and insert, browse cap portion. Just make it rotation. Okay, now click here, mate, select this and select this, click here. Now just select this portion, select this portion and select this portion, click here and just insert one more pipe vice here. Just rotate these. Okay, and mate these and these, click here. Now go to the mate option, these and these, click here. I have to fix this also. Click here, mate second portion for the plane, and this portion front plane and coincide here. These, let's see, this is okay, but I have to fix this. Mate front plane tangent would over defined, so I have to delete some of the mates here. These delete. Oh, okay, 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 okay. Just mate second portion front plane and third portion top plane. It should be in the distance, and in the distance here, and click here. I think now this is okay. Okay, done. Now go for the mate option and there is a mechanical mate, there is a screw. Okay, screw option, distance will be 4. Just select these, just take it out, select these. Okay, wait, and select this. Distance would be 4. The screw, click here. And now you can see that if we click here, and if we just rotate it with this, if we just rotate it, this go inside. Okay, now the last part, which was the last part, just insert component, this pipe vice portion, just select this portion, mate with this portion, and this portion with this portion. This will be here, and just mate this portion with this portion. Okay, please wait here. Last pipe vice I made one mistake. Let's end that. I have to delete it and delete it also. Just go to the mate, select this conical surface with this conical surface. Okay, just click here. No, this became coincides. Please wait. There is a conical surface here. Okay, okay. Just made this, delete. Just made this conical surface with this conical surface. Click here, right you are. Now select this plane and this plane became parallel. Click here. Now if you just rotate it, if you just rotate it, see the pipe vice is working, and we just make it